mentor, philosopher, guide, respected Padma Shri Nana Chudasama, World Chairman, graceful First Lady Munilaji, esteemed Chief Guest, young and dynamic Sri Prakash Ji, Honorable Minister for Human Resource and Development, charming and ever active our World Chairperson Saina NC, and her husband Manish, all our distinguished awardees, our Goodwill Charitable Trust trustees Sudesh and Sunil, we welcome friend Gurmeet Singh Ji, Ram Rahim Ji, Insan.
बाबा राम तेलुगु है क्या?
Our Vice Chairperson Nani Krupani, Sarmishta and Lalita Ji, our ever supportive Federation President Zakir Kapasi, T.D. Thomas, Jivraj Nagaria, our former awardees, dignitaries in the audience, Consul Generals, invited guests, and my Giants family members. On behalf of Giants fraternity, Nana Chudasama Saina NC, it is a great honor and privilege for me to welcome you all on our 44th Giants Day celebration and awards function. September is a very auspicious month, wherein we showcase true national integration by celebrating Paryushan, Hajj, Onam festival, Mount Mary festival, Eid ul-Adha, Ganpati Visarjan, and all this with peace and harmony. Also in September, Giants Day and Service Week are celebrated by we Giants uplifting the poor and the downtrodden and helping the needy. This time we have Mr. Naresh Parekh and all the Federation Vice President in charge of various federations who are celebrating Giants Week and motivating the groups to do more and more projects for the society. This month we also witnessed the declaration of Mother Teresa as Saint Mother Teresa, and we Giants take great pride as she was one of our former awardees. I would like to pay tribute to her in her own words. Spread love wherever you go. Let no one ever leave you without being happier than before. Friends, this year we are happy to have 12 distinguished personalities for the Giants Awards. Mr. Niranjan Hiranandani, sir, your father has been a recipient of our Giants Award in medicine. And today is his birthday. Congratulations to you, sir. And you will be carrying his legacy forward by accepting our award as a successful businessman and industrialist. Congratulations to you, sir. I take this opportunity to wish you success for your Priyadashmi Awards, which is few days from now. Rana Kapoor ji, Chairman Managing Director of Yes Bank, he is one man who will never say no when you go for loan, and that is why the company is called Yes Bank. Saint Dr. Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh Ji, Insan. He is an institution by himself like Giants, serves thousands of people every year in 123 spheres of social work. We are grateful that we have people like you on this earth to serve the mankind. We have Rana Kapoorji has just come. दीपक चौरसिया जी, सर हमेशा दीपक जी आप हमेशा फेयर डिबेट करते हैं और पैनलिस्ट को भी बोलने का वक्त देते हैं, तो यही तो ब्यूटी है दीपक जी की, इतने फेवरेट है सब लोग के। Raj Nayak from Colors gives us the best entertainment and reality source. विजय दर्दा जी लोकमत से लोगों की सेवा करते हैं। We welcome you, Rishi Kapoor ji.
आज भी मारे
Rishi Kapoor ji has just celebrated your 63rd birthday. And are popularly known in the 90s, Rishi Rich. Your skillful portrayal of goals from 16 to 60 years make audiences love you, especially the ladies. So today also you are as charming as you were in Bobby.
चला रहा किसी भी का एडिट कर लो।
Sir, I was just going through that, the recipients of the Giants Award, they receive many folds in the near future. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh was one. Sri Narendra Modi was the Chief Minister of Gujarat when he was the chief guest at our Mumbai convention. And he is now the Prime Minister of India, and today is his birthday also. So happy birthday to our Prime Minister Sriman Narendra Modi ji. Fortunately, it falls on the 17th September on our Founders Day. और प्रकाश जी जो यहाँ पे चीफ गेस्ट आते हैं वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनते हैं। So we hope that you still move forward. But our only request is we pray for your success while you do selfless service for our country. We have numerous such examples which you can glance through in the award manual that we have already circulated. With Nana's blessing and guidance, we carry out various projects to serve humanity. Nana believes that the hands that help are far greater than the hands that pray. And that is what we Giants are doing. On Nana's birthday, approximately 25,000 trees were planted, 1,000 and more blood units were collected by various groups pan-India as a gift to Nana on his birthday. Organ donation is a national project, and in December last year, Saina Madam initiated the first ever interstate transplant between Mumbai and Surat. You see, the two states were not ready to do that also, but it was because of Saina when she was in Ahmedabad that we could do between Maharashtra and Gujarat. So hats off to Saina for always doing good work for the mankind. Recently, Saina NC and Giants members had participated in huge numbers in the organ donation awareness walkathon initiated by government of Maharashtra.
प्रिंट कैमरा
May I request Mr. Shah to come into the stage, Mr. Nana Chudasama. And may I request Lalita Vasan to come into the stage, Shina NC.
गोविंद आगे के बोल जाना जरा समझा ना
तो है
इन हाउस वाले शूट वाले भी अंदर चल रहे हैं आराम से ये राजू
Ladies and gentlemen, this wonderful evening has been made so by the generous presence and every support of some very special individuals.
हमको भी जाना पड़ेगा आगे हो गया
I'd like to invite on stage Mr. Yogesh Lakhani, Managing Director, Bright Advertising for this day. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Devendra Bharma receiving a potted plant.
Still.
The Trident and the Oberoi Group have been our hosts for every one of our award ceremonies.
ओ स्टिल फोटोग्राफर्स
We have Mr. Yogesh Lakhani,
आराम से नीचे रखो कैमरा पीछे भी
Bright Advertising Publicity. They've been our partners for the last 14 years. Thank you very much to Yogesh Lakhani. From Fortune Lifeline, could we have on stage Dr. Syed Irfan? From Fortune Lifeline, could we please have on stage Dr. Syed Irfan? And from Sigma Advertising, could we please have on stage Mr. Fahim?
दीपिका नहीं आ रही है दीपिका नहीं आ रही है मूवी बात हुई आउट ऑफ कंट्री क्या बोली दीपिका कल आई आउट ऑफ कंट्री वो जल्दी आ गई
Thank you, Sri Javadekar, for doing the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd also like to recognize the presence of several eminent personalities.
है ना कॉपी वाला
We'll begin with all our former award winners.
है ना इंडियन मूवी कौन
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to put your hands together and welcome our award winner, Ms. Deepika Padukone.
अरे आ गई आई क्या अरे ये फोटो चाइना वाले क्या नीचे ले फ्लैश नीचे कर फ्लैश निकाल
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you get a lot of opportunities to take photographs.
अरे ये
Don't worry.
क्या
We'd like to recognize the presence of many celebrities, most of them former award winners. Mr. Khalid Ansari, Ms. Farzana Contractor, Dr. Kiran Shantaram, Dr. Behramji, Dr. Zahid Qazi,
ये कैमरा है खुद का
Ms. Manju Nichani,
जाओगे आगे
the Giants International.
मारो फोटो मारो
Thank you, Nanaji. Ladies and gentlemen, very short and sweet, but Nanaji is a man of action rather than words, so thank you very much for your blessings. With that, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to announce and present the Giants International Awards 2016 for outstanding accomplishment in various fields. Ladies and gentlemen, each of our 12 recipients is not just an achiever, but a super achiever of great reputation and merit, with an exhaustive list of accomplishments. A detailed profile of each is given in the award souvenir. However, since time is at a premium, I've been told to keep each introduction to within a minute, and I shall attempt to do the impossible. May I request each recipient to remain seated till I finish the introduction before receiving the award and then very briefly sharing their thoughts with us.
तो एक मिनट मार के आ जाओ हम लोग को भी लेने दो
Ladies and gentlemen, our first award winner is the third, the Giants International Award for Banking and Finance. He is the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Yes Bank. Before that, he held key positions at Investment Bank and Bank of America, leading the standard of leadership on both organizations. He is the leading past president of ASOCAN, has been associated with Indian Banks Association, the Government Creditors Board of Trade, the Finance Group, Tilly and several others. And that is not enough. Yes Bank and he, as an individual, have been the recipients of an astounding over 40 awards at the last count for institutional and professional excellence across terrorist stares.
मोबाइल नीचे क्यों
To Mr. Ronaldo,
भाई करो क्यों कर सर यहाँ पे सर ऊपर मोबाइल कौन यार मोबाइल क्यों क्यों और आता पीछे क्या हुआ नहीं ले सकते
Thank you very much. I'm absolutely, my name is Rana Kapoor. I'm very happy to receive this very prestigious recognition from none other than the Honorable Nana
आराम से
Chudlana,
मिलेगा सबको मिलेगा
Chairman Emeritus of Giants International, a giant himself. Truly a giant himself. A person who has really committed his life to the city of Mumbai, to the state of Maharashtra.
लगेगा
Actually, the team which is working with them. Particularly, I'd like to acknowledge and say my respect. I'm happy everybody's settling down. My recognition is, in a way, reflective of the city of Mumbai when I came as an immigrant in 1980. And I'm very delighted I built a beautiful bank called Yes Bank. And this award on banking and finance is a reflection of many brave hearts and many daring leaders and many focused enterprises that we have built as an institution called Yes Bank. Yes Bank is a reflection of Mumbai. It's not giant yet. It has the capacity to become a giant in Indian banking. I'm very happy to accept this award. I'm very delighted to be in your August company.
Award 2016 for Banking and Finance. The Giants International Award for Outstanding Contribution in the field of media and entertainment is conferred on a person who is the Chief Executive Officer of Colors and Brishde at Viacom 18 Media Private Limited. He began his career with Tata Economic Consultancy Services before joining the Star TV Group in 1993 as Executive Vice President, Sales and Marketing. He then joined and helped set up NDTV Media United Limited as Chief Executive Officer and minority stakeholder before launching his own independent venture, ADM Ventures Private Limited. He made his transition to Colors and launched Rishte soon after. He was recently appointed Chief Executive Officer and Business Head for Viacom's 18's newly launched 24-hour Hindi movie channel, Rishte Cineplex. He is the president of the Advertising Club and on the boards of several professional bodies. A complete people's person whose passion
there's one thing in common. You will all be stripped naked. You will be wrapped in a white cloth. And some of us will be buried, some of us will be cremated, burnt, fed to the vultures, whatever it is. And that is the truth. And the only two things that you carry with you to your grave is your memories and your goodwill. You know, organization like Giants International, the humanity, the service that you're doing to mankind, I think is phenomenal. I keep telling people, if these two things you can build on, create as many memories as you can, because that's something that you will carry with you, because everything else will be stripped off. And create as much goodwill as you can, because that's something that will truly stay with you. People will say, he was a good man or she was a good lady, and they'll come for your funeral. It may sound awkward in a forum like this, but I believe organizations like Giants, who believe in generosity, who believe in integrity, who believe in action, who believe in nobility, trust and service, that's all we need to do to make this a great country, to make this a great world.
And re-elected in July 2004, and has served the state of Maharashtra and the people of Vidarbha with passion. He has been associated with national and international media bodies in different capacities. He was president of the Indian Newspaper Society and deputy chairman of the Audit Bureau of Circulation. He was instrumental in setting up the South Asian Editors Forum and was its founder president. The recipient of several awards for journalism, including the Feroz Gandhi Memorial Award. He has several books to his credit and has attended numerous national and international conferences and seminars. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for the recipient of the Giants International Award for Journalism, Mr. Vijay Dutta.
बोलना बड़ा आसान होता है क्योंकि टीवी पे बोलने के लिए पैसे मिलते हैं। यहाँ पे अवार्ड मिला है इसलिए बोलना पड़ेगा और खास तौर से अवार्ड आप उन लोगों से लें जिनसे आप बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं, जिनके कंडक्ट को आप लगातार देखते हैं, जिनके बारे में आप ये महसूस करते हैं कि वाकई इन्होंने जो काम किया है वो सेल्फलेस है, वो सोसाइटी के लिए। दिल्ली में हम पार्लियामेंट में आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं, जल्दी आइएगा।
Thank you. A round of applause for Mr. Deepak Chaurasi, the winner of the Giants International Award 2016 for Electronic Media. We now launch Foundation with the aim of destigmatizing and creating awareness about depression, which she herself briefly struggled with and overcame. From national level spokesperson to supermodel to Bollywood superstar, her star trek has been nothing short of spectacular. We are delighted to confer the Giants International Award 2016 for films on Deepika Padukone.
After listening to everyone speak, I'm completely underprepared. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Giants, for this amazing honor. Thank you so much, most importantly, for being so patient with me. I know we were trying to do this for many, many years, and I'm glad this finally happened. And this award is even more special because Shaina was sitting next to me, and it feels lovely to have won something where my father has also won an award for his contribution to sports. I think that was back in 2002 when I was still in school. So it feels great to be here and receive the award. Thank you, Nanaji. Thank you, Prakashji. Thank you, Shaina. And having started my own foundation last year, the Live Love Love Foundation, which focuses on creating awareness on mental health, I understand how difficult it is to do social service and social work, and so I want to thank and congratulate everyone at Giants International for the amazing work that all of you have done over the years. Thank you.
अरे कौन है ये?
Thank you very much and a warm round of applause for Deepika Padukone. The recipient of our next award is truly a giant in the field of education. He launched himself as a teacher and evolved into a visionary educationist with the Bharati Vidyapeeth Society, where he successfully established several new institutions of professional and higher learning under the society. He is the co-author of 2 textbooks for electrical engineering prescribed by Pune University, where he was also a member of the Senate and other councils. In 1993, he founded the Sagar Technical Education Society that has now become a conglomerate of over 85 world-class educational institutes imparting education to over 70,000 students with hostels, a 500-bed general hospital with all modern amenities and colleges for medicine, dentistry and nursing. The hospital is a charitable hospital providing free of cost treatment to everyone. At present, he is the key person for all the activities of Sagar Technical Education Society and is president and chief managing trustee of the society. He is also associated with several other education institutes and trusts, managing schools, colleges and professional and technical institutes across Maharashtra. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Giants International Award 2016 recipient in the field of education, Professor N.M.
Mrs. Munira Chudasamaji, Nana Chudasamaji,
ये कैमरा कौन है?
my dear Shaina, fellow awardees, ladies and gentlemen, Giants, और अगर Giants का कोई female version है, then Gianties. पहले तो I'm sorry that I was a little late. This was due to the traffic that I encountered because of the Mount Mary festival. I apologize sincerely. Having said so about traffic, I might add that I used to live in Chembur and I used to study here in Kapre at the Campion School. And we used to travel every day from Chembur to Kapre to the school. So the only thing for me was to actually sleep in the car. And the only time I woke up was when I was by the bay, and I used to also see that cloth banner, which said something very important and very good. Even as a child, I appreciate that. Thank you, Nana Pradasamaji, for those thoughts for all those years. Shaina, I hope you, first of all, I hope you had a good cycling tour. She was on a cycling tour. I really envy her. I'd like to take this opportunity, just a bit. There has been a little bit of controversy I'm involved in right now, so I'd like to take on something what my friend Mr. Vijay Dada said today. The responsibility of the media, पत्रकार जिसे आप कह रहे थे, आपकी हर बात सर आंखों में सर, लेकिन जब पत्रकार या कोई मीडिया का बंदा अपनी मर्यादा से अपनी रेखा से बाहर हो जाए, उसका क्या कीजिएगा? आपके पास तो ये माध्यम है जो आप यूज कर सकते हैं किसी के खिलाफ। हमारे पास तो नहीं है, हम अपनी क्लैरिफिकेशन करते हैं। आपने तो मेरा नाम, हमारा नाम तो बदनाम कर दिया। अब वो वक्त हमारा है कि I have to prove myself and vindicate myself. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to say that I believe, as Mrs. Churasama was sitting by me, she said that the Giants started in the year 1972, and with only 8 people, with Nanaji heading the them. I might just about add that I started my career also in 1972, so we both actually are 44 years in the industry. Thank you very much, Nanaji, Shaina, all my fellow awardees. Congratulations to all of them. They have done wonderful things in their field. Thank you, Giants. I see my friends, Kiran Shantaram, I see Arvind Jory and Rashmi. All right, all of you. Thank you, all of you. And once again, my love to you. Thank you, Jai.
Thank you very much. A warm round of applause to Mr. Rishi Kapoor. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to the award for social reforms. He is the motivational leader of the social spiritual organization Gera Satya Sauda, through which he has initiated 123 activities started at saving the girl child, marriage of prostitutes, the welfare of widows, the elderly, families of soldiers and martyrs who have laid down their lives for the country, regular blood donations for the army and Palestinian patients, disaster relief, homes for the needy, education for the financially weak, welfare of animals and care for the environment. He has composed hundreds of hymns, has written several books on spirituality, and has built nearly 24 ashrams in almost every state of the country and abroad. To reform the youth and guide them away from the scourge of drug addiction, alcoholism and corruption, and to promote a healthy lifestyle through vegetarianism and sports, he has initiated the unique concept of Divine Fusion Music Concerts and Pathway Award 2016 for social reforms conferred on Saint Dr. Gurmeet Ram Singh Inside.
जिन्होंने समाज सेवा के एक या दो नहीं बल्कि 56 विश्व कीर्तिमान स्थापित किए, जिनमें 19 गिनीज बुक ऑफ वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड्स में, 3 लिम्का बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में, 27 एशिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में और 9 कीर्तिमान इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स में दर्ज है। कचरा फैलाने वाले लोगों को सुधारने के लिए डॉक्टर एमएस जी ने 21 सितंबर 2011 में जब खुद झाड़ू उठाई तो इनका अनुसरण लाखों लोगों ने किया और करोड़ों लोगों ने गंदगी नाम फैलाने का लिखित में प्रण भी लिया। होम पृथ्वी साहब मिट्टी रोग अभियान के तहत इन्होंने अब तक गंगा नदी सहित 29 महानगरों को कुछ ही घंटों में साफ करने जैसे नए आयाम स्थापित किए। बड़े पैमाने पर आदिवासियों को आदिम युग से निकालकर उन्हें शिक्षित, स्वरोजगारी और सभ्य बनाने वाली आज इकलौती शख्सियत। आज ये लोग डॉक्टर एमएसजी की बदौलत सभ्य समाज के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर खड़े हैं। वेश्याओं को अपनी बेटी बनाकर उनकी शादी करवाने वाली ये पहली हस्ती है। कन्या भ्रूण हत्या न करवाने के लिए लाखों लोगों को एक साथ शपथ दिलवाने वाले सिर्फ डॉक्टर एमएसजी ही हैं। डॉक्टर एमएसजी 28 ऐसी बेटियों को गोद लेकर उनका पालन पोषण कर रहे हैं जिनको उनके माँ बाप ने पेट में ही मरवाया। डॉक्टर एमएसजी ने इन दिनों को सुखदुआ जैसा नया सम्मानित नाम देने के साथ साथ माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट में उन्हें तीसरे लिंग के रूप में मान्यता दे पाई। डॉक्टर एमएसजी के प्रयासों से अब बेटियों से भी वंश चलने लगे हैं और अब लड़कियां बारात लेके जाने लगी और दूल्हा ब्याह का घर लाने लगी। डॉक्टर एमएसजी ने इस रीत को कुल का क्राउन नाम दिया है और इनके प्रयासों से अपने पैरों पे खड़ी लड़कियां अब दिव्यांगों से शादियां कर रही हैं। डॉक्टर एमएसजी की बदौलत अब बेटियां अर्थीयों को कंधा देने लगी। डॉक्टर एमएसजी स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों की दिल से साथ संभाल करते हैं। 1991 के बाद देश विदेश में आई 22 प्राकृतिक आपदाओं में अब तक डॉक्टर एमएसजी और उनकी 75,000 सदस्यों की शासकनाम जी ग्रीननेस वेलफेयर फोर्स विंग में सबसे पहले पहुंचकर पीड़ितों तक राहत पहुंचाएगी। जब नन्ना सफेद गड्ढे में गिरा, शासकनाम जी ग्रीननेस वेलफेयर फोर्स विंग ने
अरे लाइट अरे भाई जाने देना सर। मत करो यार, करो अबे क्या कर रहे हो? बाहर चल के लो, अभी मत करो। रुकना यार।
थैंक यू सो मच। पहली बार आज
दिल की बात, दिल की बात।
You stay here.
सर क्या कह रहे थे? चैलेंज के हो गया, जाने आगे अभी बस ठीक है, हो गया
मिला है, आपने बहुत बड़ा योगदान दिया है देश के लिए, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
बस हम प्रभु की कृपा मानते हैं और ये सोचते हैं कि ये अवार्ड मिला है, तो जानना चाहेंगे क्यों मिला, तो लोगों को पता चलेगा कि 6 करोड़ लोगों का हमने नशा छुड़ाया, तो पूरे देश में जो नशेड़ी लोग हैं वो हमारे पास आएंगे, क्योंकि वहाँ फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट होता है। तो हमें लगता है ये कदम है देश को सुधारने के लिए, ताकि लोगों को पता चले कि हाँ ऐसा भी कोई है जो बिना किसी पैसे के, बिना कोई धर्म जात छुड़ाए नशा छुड़ा सकता है। तो हमें लगता है उस दिशा में एक बहुत बड़ा कदम है।
सर कितना प्रोत्साहन देता है, एक आपको कितना प्रोत्साहन मिलेगा और दूसरे लोगों को भी?
जी, हमें बस यही प्रोत्साहन मिला है कि ईश्वर ने जो हमें चुना है और वो जन जन तक जाएगा और हर कोई उससे सुधरेगा। हमें बड़ी खुशी है इस बात।
ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ है, उनके लिए क्या कहेंगे?
जी, वो एक राजपूत योद्धा है, उसकी कहानी है। फर्स्ट टाइम हम एक किरदार में आए हैं, पूरा फैमिली का उसमें वातावरण है और बहुत सारा उसमें जो योद्धा है वो अपनी राष्ट्र की बहनों की इज्जत बचाने के लिए अपनी जान पे खेल जाता है। और तो वो उस तरह की एक फिल्म है जो अभी बड़े लोगों ने उसे पसंद किया। ट्रेलर भी जैसे जर्मन में पूरे 15 टॉप में से उसको चुना गया, तो ऐसे हमें बड़ी खुशी है कि लोग अभी से उसका रिस्पॉन्स इतना दे रहे हैं। जैसे आप इंसान है बेटा, हम भी इंसान हैं और हम यही कहते हैं कि यही है भगवान की कृपा जो हमसे इतना कुछ करवा लेती है, अदरवाइज हम भी इंसान हैं जैसे सब लोग इंसान।
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग योर टाइम। नमस्ते बाबा जी।
I think
excitement to receive such a beautiful award is really tremendous because you share this platform with such wonderful, great people, and the precedence of people who have received this award is enormous. So I'm feeling humbled that I've got this award. I feel great and being enthused that I want to do still more and give back to society. Today we have announced that we will make affordable housing in terms on a cost-to-cost basis on the charitable side in order to bring it, and we hope to start this work either between Diwali and Christmas of this year. Thank you. We made townships which are very beautiful, holistic. We made beautiful townships which are clean, neat, which is environmentally friendly. We have done things that have solid waste management, recycling of water, but mainly created green buildings and value proposition for creating a great city. Thank you.
भाई कहाँ उधर चले गए?
भाई को मिला के बेटा भाई का
फिर वहाँ बिजी हो गए। हाँ हाँ प्लीज। वहाँ बिजी हो गए फिर चले गए।
Giant Award this is my second year, and second year I didn't get awarded because I'm the outdoor partner with them. Feels really nice. Oh yes, for sure. I'm seriously working hard over there, and with God's grace, yes, I would like to do that.